Hello student, welcome to our geography class. Let us start our third lesson, physiography and drainage. In last videos we complete two lessons, field visit and the name of second lesson is location and extent. Here now we start the third lesson, the name is physiography and drainage. Here student, a map of India, physical. More points here dotted, and here observe the map given figure 3.1 and answer the following question. Here student, a map, India's map, outline the many more points. In which direction does the region with an altitude of more than 6,000 lie in India? First question is, in which direction does the region with an altitude of more than 6,000 meter lie in India? What is the answer of this question? The region with an altitude of more than 6,000 meter lie in India towards north and northeast. The answer of first question is towards the north and northeast. Then second question is, look for the south flowing river in the Peninsula region. See here student, on map, look for the south flowing river in the Peninsula region. In which river basin does to lie? See in your map, in which river basin does to lie? Look at the map students. Guess which river basin does it lie? Varda and Venganga. Then next question is, in which direction is the slope of region in the north shown in dark green? In which direction is the slope of region in the north shown in dark green? In which direction? Guess. Towards the east direction. The slope of region in the north shown in the dark green towards the east. Then next question is, make a list of plateau located in between Aravalli ranges and Chota Nagpur plateau. Next question is, make a list of plateau located in between Aravalli ranges and Chota Nagpur plateau. What is the name of Mewar plateau, Bundelkhand and Malwa plateau? The answer of this question is Mewar plateau, Bundelkhand and Malwa plateau located in between Aravalli ranges and Chota Nagpur plateau. Then the next question is, name the peak shown in Eastern Ghats. Right. The answer is, name the peak shown in Eastern Ghats. The answer is Mahendragiri and Mayagiri. Mahendragiri and Malagiri is the answer of this question. Peak shown in the Eastern Ghats. Name the peak shown in the Eastern Ghats. Which peak? Mahendragiri and Malagiri. Then next question is, which mountains demarcate the deep plains of Brahmaputra? Dafla Hills, Naga Hills, Gara, Khasi and Jantia Hills is the answer of this question. Which mountains demarcate the deep plains of Brahmaputra? Dafla Hills, Naga Hills, Gara, Khasi and Jantia Hills. It's the answer of this question due to the map of India in physical. The next question is, give the relative location of Nilgiri Hills. Relative location of Nilgiri Hills. Relative location of Nilgiri Hills located western Ghats and eastern Ghats and lies in the southern part of Deccan Plateau. The next question is, in which direction does the height of the Sahyadri Hills increase? South direction does the height of the Sahyadri Hills increase. The Vindhyas Act of water divided between which two river basin? Name of two river, which basin? Ganga river and Narmada river. Here we completed the some answer of this question with the help of this map. Then next point is like same. Following question. The question, you give the answer with the help of Brazil map. Physical. Here next map is Brazil. Write the answer with the help of this map. You write answer in your notebook with the help of this map. First question is, what is the type of altitude of Amazon river? And other question, you completed this question answer in your notebook with the help of Brazil map as like as India. Then geographical explanation, India. In figure 3.1, is the map of India, shown the physiography of India. In this map, shown the physiography of India. The map of India, all map is shown the physiography of India. Country is divided into 5 major physiographic division. In this map, divided into 5 major physiographic division. First, the Himalayas, the North Indian plains, the peninsula, coastal plains, Ireland groups. Here some 5 points which are major physiographical division in India. The first point is Himalayas. Did you know, student, Himalayas is one of the young fold mountains in the world. Himalaya is the one young fold mountain in the world. The Himalaya extends from Pamir north east Tajikistan to the east. It is major mountain system of Asian continent. In India, it extends from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Student, Himalaya is one of the young fold mountain in the world. Himalaya is the one fold mountain in the world. The Himalaya extends from Pamir north in Tajikistan to east. It is major mountain system to Asian continent. In India, it extends from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. In this map, we see, student, the Himalaya extends from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Himalaya is not single mountain range. Himalaya is not a single mountain range. There are many parallel ranges in the system. Many parallel ranges in the system. The southernmost is known as Shivaliks. The southernmost is known as Shivalik. It is also the youngest range. Next to Shivaliks are Lesser Himalayas, Greater Himalayas, Himdari, and Trans-Himalaya ranges from south to north. These ranges are young to old respectively. These ranges are young to old respectively, one by one. These mountain ranges are also divided into Western Himalayas called as Kashmir Himalayas. In these ranges also divided Western Himalayas also called as Kashmir Himalayas. Then Central Himalayas also known as Kumaon Himalayas. Then third, Eastern Himalayas also known as Assam Himalayas. The Himalayas mountain ranges are also divided into 3 Himalayas: Kashmir Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas and Assam Himalayas. Then next point is the North Indian Plains. North Indian Plains. Our lesson next point is North Indian Plains, which are the major part of physiographic division in India. This division lies between Himalaya mountains in the north and the peninsula in the south. Similarly, it extends from Rajasthan. This division lies between Himalaya mountains in the north and peninsula in the south. Similarly, it extends from Rajasthan and Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. It is mostly a flat, low-lying area. The North Indian plains are divided into 2 parts. This division lies between the Himalaya mountains in the north and peninsula in the south. North Indian plains division lies in between the Himalayas mountain in the north and peninsula in the south. Similarly, it extends from Rajasthan and Punjab in the west to Assam in the west. It extends from Rajasthan and Punjab in the west and Assam in the east. It is mostly flat, low-lying area. The North Indian plains are divided into 2 parts. Himalaya divided into 3 parts. Which parts? Kashmir Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas and Assam Himalayas. Then North Indian plains divided into 2 parts. Which are these? The part lying on the east of the Aravallis is the basin of river Ganga and therefore is known as Ganga Plains. It slopes eastwards. North Indian plains divided into 2 parts. First part is part lying to the east of the Aravalli is the basin of river Ganga and therefore known as the Ganga Plains. It slopes eastwards. Most of the West Bengal state of India and Bangladesh together constitute the delta of Ganga Brahmaputra system. It is known as Sundarbans. It is considered to be the world's largest delta in figure 3.3. In figure 3.3, the images of Sundarban Delta. Most of the West Bengal state of India and Bangladesh together constitute the delta of Ganga Brahmaputra system. It is known as Sundarbans. Here student figure 3.3, the image is Sundarbans delta. The western part of North Indian plains is occupied by desert. The western part of North Indian plains is occupied by desert. It is also known as Thar desert or Marusthali. Most of Rajasthan is occupied by this desert, Thar desert and Marusthali. To the north of desert lies the plains of Punjab. This region is spread to the west of Aravallis and Delhi ranges. These plains have formed as a result of depositional work by river Satluj and its tributaries. The slope of plains is towards the west because of soil here is very fertile. Agriculture is largely practiced in this region. Of course, student, the soil is very fertile. The agriculture occupation is largely practiced in this region. In which region? North Indian plains. North Indian plains division lies between the Himalaya mountains in the north and peninsula in the south. It is extend from Rajasthan and Punjab to the west and Assam in the east. It is divided by two parts. And here students, this region is spread to west of Aravallis and Delhi ranges. These plains have formed result of depositional work by river Satluj. Which river? Satluj river and its tributaries. Satluj river and tributaries. These plains have formed a result of depositional work. The slope of plains towards the west because the plains of towards the west because soil here is very fertile. Due to students, soil is very fertile. Agriculture is largely practiced in this region. Now student, we complete 2 points of the physiography of India, the divided into about the 5 parts, Himalayas, and the second point is North Indian plains. Then next point is our next period.